Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact workbook and going straight to the sheet containing your data. Use Ctrl+F to locate a term, set match case or match entire cell when precision matters. If your range is messy, press Ctrl+T to make a table or enable filters so you can isolate columns. Once done, select the visible rows or cells you need. This first action narrows the dataset so subsequent steps run faster and hit only relevant items. Now refine the results. Apply a filter or use advanced filter criteria to display only matching records, which reduces noise. If you used Find All, press Ctrl+ and the results list to select every found cell across the sheet. Make sure to select only visible cells before copying. Go to Home, Find and Select, go to Special, and choose Visible Cells only. Doing that prevents hidden or filtered out rows from being copied. This preserves structure and avoids pasting. With visible cells selected, press Ctrl+C to copy and go to your destination, either a new sheet or another file. When pasting, choose Paste Values to avoid unwanted formulas or Paste Special to keep formatting or column widths. Make sure column headers align and check ranges after pasting. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot merged cells, hidden rows, or structured table references first. Unmerge, unhide, or convert table to range and repeat the copy. That quick check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.